Hey guys, I'm going to show you a breakdance move I learned called the copy grande. So I'll show you a few and then I'll break it down. Okay, so what was going on in there? Well, first, I have my hands planted on the ground. I'm also rocking, and this is allowing for me to provide momentum, make it easier to swing my leg around my body, and as I extend my leg outward that first time, the left leg, I am distributing the weight to the right side of my body. You'll notice right there, I push off the ground a little bit, using momentum to swing my leg also around to the right side of my body. Now, I'm going to do something similar and use the momentum again to swing my leg behind my body. But also, I have to jump off the ground with my right foot when I do that. So, swing off the ground, I jump slightly off the ground with my right foot so my left leg, can swing around my body. And distributing the weight, from left to right side. So, it's on my right side when my left leg is extended out on the left side of my body. It's on the right side, the left side, when my leg is extended out on the right side of my body. And it's just going back and forth in that motion. So once you practice out of it, then you can take it to, doing multiple of them in a row and at different speeds. So that was the copy grande.